Facebook has been intentionally giving bad actors special privileges, knowing that the bad actors were using their platform to obstruct court cases and violate rights secured by the Constitution. Section 230 states that companies like Facebook cannot be held liable as a publisher or speaker of any information provided by a different content provider. Section 1986 prescribes that anyone, including a corporation, who has knowledge that a 1985 conspiracy is about to be committed and having the power to aid in preventing the conspiracy, neglects or refuses to do so, is liable for all damage caused. If Facebook receives knowledge of a conspiracy through its role as a publisher, then Section 230 clearly provides immunity. But if they had knowledge through their attorneys because of their role as a co-defendant, as in this case, then Section 230 is useless for that claim. When a case is proceeding in federal court, all that Section 1985 requires is that you are a party or a witness who was harmed because of a conspiracy to injure or intimidate a party or a witness. In this case, Facebook was well aware that their co-defendant had weaponized their platform and repeatedly used it to harass opposing litigants and their witnesses.
I think the word they're looking for is cult, not gang.
Okay, cool.
We do call each other turtle riders because we're based off of the statue in Worcester of a little boy who is literally riding a turtle. So that's where that came from, turtle riders. And it's a cool, whatever. It's a cool thing to call people that follow the blood. So definitely, I think there is a pack mentality to it. I'm well aware of the fact that when I hit the publish button and I share something on Facebook, that this is going to have an immediate effect on the person that is written about, and that there will be a large group of people who will then go to that person.
For fear of being shamed on our website, we have weaponized public shaming and used it as a deterrent to ratchet public behavior.
There was some screenshots alleging that Ryan Waters was threatening Turtle Boy's kids. Alleging. And that's very important. Turtle Boy sent those screenshots on a private message thread to his people, asking them to send him those screenshots and to essentially so he was the one that found them, but he wanted his people to send him those screenshots to alert him to the threats. Let's just say I took notes and I could just about quote what he said. But in a nutshell, what he was trying to tell me was going on here was that he had been sent those screenshots by somebody else, and that he was putting it out to his people to ask them to put it out publicly. That was his answer. And he was getting all flustered when he was telling me his little fucking story, his scale over there. And I didn't believe him. So I said, hold on a sec. No, because what you're saying here is about sending them in private messages. You wanted them to send them to you to alert you to what was going on, but it was actually you who was telling them in the first place. I said, why would you need to do something like that? And he said, I'm not kind of sure. And he was getting all flustered. And I said, would it be a case that you were trying to maybe make it look like something happened? And eventually he I'm saying all but, he did admit that is exactly what he did. He literally admitted to me that he fabricated evidence of him sending pictures and majorly fucked up threats of his own kids to try to get somebody else in trouble.
And everything on there was from a private group chat amongst people who trust each other and earned each other's trust, and was for the purpose of, creating blog content, basically.
When I found the November 19th threads, I took screenshots and I immediately sent them to Facebook's lawyers and Turtle Boy's lawyer. Turtle Boy ended up uploading a screenshot of my email into his Blogdat group chat. Turtle Boy filed for a malicious harassment order hearing, and at the hearing in December 1st, he presented the fabricated evidence and he committed perjury in an attempt to make me look guilty for the threats that he sent. Facebook responded by deleting my Facebook account the night before Thanksgiving and opposing an investigation into the crime.
I'm a vindictive cunt. And I'm not going to stop. We're just beginning here. I'm not going to stop destroying your life, just destroying it. Like, I am going to take everything away from you that you loved. I want you to feel as low as I did in early January when I found out that you betrayed me. Like, I want you to feel that pain, and you're going to feel it.
One small factor with this case is that Turtle Boy is dependent on Facebook for reach and recruitment.
I had been in touch with Facebook's legal department prior to that. We'd had a couple suspensions, and I had my lawyer get in contact with their lawyer, and they restored the page.
I'm conspiring with Facebook to make sure that I can continue to use the platform. Me and Mark Zuckerberg just chat all the time.
Those last two statements were pulled out of context, which is fitting, as that's what this defendant has done to me and many others. But in his book, I Am Turtle Boy, he admits that he spoke with Facebook employees about paying for a guarantee that his profile would not be taken down. On several occasions, including shortly before and shortly after the November 19th conspiracy, Turtle Boy showed that Facebook was allowing him to break their rules with impunity. Section 1983 states that whenever someone uses the power of law to cause a person to be subjected to constitutional violations, they are liable for the harm caused.
Does Turtle Boy have sources within civil organizations, whether City Hall, Boston Police, Fire, EMS, Boston Public Schools, etc., that feed him information?
Oh, yeah. I mean, I have sources everywhere. I mean, that's how I get these stories.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So that would make sense.
Sure.
If you can talk about it, if you're comfortable, you said no holds barred.
Yeah.
The whole thing about he got the report and he publicized the report, you know, the harassment thing. Are you able to talk about how you got that report?
Sure. A cop sent it to me.
Okay, so it was sent to you. You didn't take a screenshot yourself. You weren't at the station.
No.
You took a screenshot.
No.
So another cop sent it to you.
Oh, yeah. I mean, I've cops that follow me in every department in the state. So you can go to this website called masscourts.org. And then we're going to go to search. Oh, wait. No, that's not it. Did I spell it wrong? Oh, I have to be logged in. So I have a special login here. Actually, hold on. I'm going to exit out of there. So apparently, I don't know if you guys can search this. Can you guys search that on your own, on your end? Or do I have to? I have a login. I have an attorney's login, which I can't show you guys. Because I don't even know if I'm supposed to be using this attorney's login. But I can get on BNC. Yeah, okay, it works on my end.
Turtle Boy has also used Facebook to get access to state employees that have searched the registry of motor vehicles for him and provided other information that he used for publishing.
What I'm gonna do if I get sued in California, I'm just gonna ignore it. I'm not responding. I'm not doing this shit anymore.
Like, what do they expect you to do? Fly out there? Like, fucking...
No, I'm not doing anything. I'm not hiring a lawyer. I'm not doing fucking anything at all. At all.